Imagine code that tests itself, deploys itself, and secures itself, all the moment you push to GitHub. Before GitHub Actions, automation lived in external tools: Jenkins, Travis CI, Circle CI. Developers had to connect their repos to third-party systems, manage plugins, and maintain their own runners. In 2019, GitHub Actions changed everything. Automation moved into the repository. CI/CD became native. Developers wrote workflows in YAML, and GitHub handled the rest. Shipping fast matters more than ever. Actions now power CI pipelines, security scans, Terraform automation, container builds, policy checks, Kubernetes deployments, AI-powered code QA. It's the backbone of modern DevSecOps. Think of GitHub Actions like a smart home system. Turn on the lights, lock the doors, start the oven, all triggered automatically. Expect AI-generated workflows, agent-driven maintenance, and pipelines that adapt to project health in real time. GitHub Actions didn't just join the CI/CD world, it replaced half of it.